So now that I know how to do Log4j and exploit that vulnerability, I have turned this into a CTF challenge. The prompt for this challenge is, my friend took me off the whitelist for a Minecraft server. Could you get in and add me back? I think they use Java 8, which has some sort of logger problems, and a Windows machine to run the server. So the setup for this problem is I have a Windows VM running, and the flag is in the whitelist. So if I pull this back up, here's the VM. It's running my Minecraft server. And in the whitelist.json is the flag. So obviously you would need to have Minecraft and then join the Minecraft world. But you can't do too much just by being in the Minecraft world. So in my Kali VM, I have everything set up very similar to how I had it set up just for the exploit. But this time, the remote code execution is going to trigger a reverse shell. So we can run the LDAP server, run the web server. Again, what'll happen is I'll send in a JNDI command that will connect to the LDAP server. The LDAP server will make a request to the web server, and then the web server will send back some malicious code. So let's go ahead and run the netcat server. This is going to be where a reverse shell is on. But if we go ahead and take a look at our malicious code now. So obviously I'm running in Windows now, so I have some Windows commands in here. But to start off with, I had a calculator command. I can send that, and then I'll open up the calc.exe on the Windows machine. Now I can also get a reverse shell using PowerShell. So I have PowerShell.exe, exec, bypass, and an encrypted reverse shell. To do this, I followed a tutorial online for getting the reverse shell through PowerShell. So then I pass that into the exec function, and the Minecraft server will execute the command I gave and actually create the reverse shell to connect back to my netcat server. So my netcat server is running. If I go into Minecraft, oh, it looks like I'm dying. So real quick, send the command, the same thing that I've had already. I exit out of here. I should have a reverse shell set up with the Windows machine. So as you can see now, it's connected to the IP of the Windows machine, which is my home address .122. So if I just for proof of concept, who am I? Okay, so yep, that's where I am. If I do an ls, we can see all the files here. For the CTF specifically, we're looking for this whitelist.json. So if I cat the whitelist, it tells me what the flag is. Bobcat CTF, hackers always be ruining my Bed Wars stats. So very simple to find the flag if you just follow the online documentation for how to do this through Minecraft. It's very similar to the online documentation so that it wouldn't be too hard for somebody who's newer to a CTF to be able to grasp this. Some ideas for further developing this challenge is to get it working in a Docker instance. I am able to run a Minecraft server in a Docker instance, but I have not been able to get a reverse shell on a Linux machine yet.
Post-editing Justin here. I have gotten this to work in a Docker image, so you can expect this to be different in the Spring CTF. See you around.